ATM has released a lifetime promo, 990 instead of the 6900s. No drama, no exaggeration, just the numbers. And in a market that often feels unpredictable, almost chaotic, having access to solid, data-driven tools isn't a luxury anymore. It's necessary if you want to make informed decisions instead of reacting emotionally. Today I'm going to break down exactly what ATM offers, how their algorithms work, and why this lifetime option is something worth understanding. I will walk you through each of the 6 algorithms directly from their guidebook, explain the logic behind them, and show you how they can help you interpret the market more objectively. But first, a quick reminder, nothing here is a financial advice, it's simply sharing the tools I use, what I have learned from them, and how I approach on-chain research. Always make decisions based on your own assessment. Why these tools matters? A lot of retail traders lose money because they trace sentiment with no data. They see a tweet, they react impulsively, they enter late, and they end up holding tokens they didn't properly evaluate. ATM approach is different. It focuses on measurable information, machine learning signals, smart wallet behaviors, liquidity movement, contract analysis. It gives you structured insight instead of noise. So let's go through the 6 algorithms included in the lifetime package, one by one. First is the OG Algo, essentially the foundational radio moment scanner. Purpose is simple. Identify tokens that are quietly gaining traction before the broader market notices. Okay, let's jump into it. Tracks accumulation patterns, consistency of buying, and subtle liquidity builds that are very difficult to catch manually. If you focus on Solana swing trades or mid-term entries, this algorithm becomes a reliable daily tool. What I appreciate is that it's not trying to predict hype, tracking behavior that actually appears on chain. As we can see, core characteristics of OG Algo are focus, discovery timing, key signal, use of case. And they focus on mid-cap tokens, about timing after first strong on-chain attraction before mass awareness, key signal, professional traders activity, entry from historically traders activity, entry from historically profitable wallets. Best fit for consistent setups and short-term plays. Signal overview available in the Telegram bot and on the ATM website. It gives us general token info, main information about the token, discovery price, CA, ticker, professional traders activity, number of profitable traders bought, sold, volume they bought or sold, average buy, sell price. Check if the DEX screen is paid or not, be sure tokens are not mintable and not freezable. Trading bots. Execute transactions in one click on your favorite trading bot. User strategies. Check what other pro users think of the token, contribute your trading strategy and see others. There is some massive info. Here we have information, how it looks like and why it's important. Trending token signal time helps refine entry and exit strategies. Wallets in and out shows the number of profitable wallets that bought the token and the number of wallets that have already sold at least part of their tokens, even if a wallet sold just 5%. If you're interested, you can check the rest by yourselves. OG Algo is best suited for traders who want to catch tokens in their early growth phase, but after the first on-chain confirmation, have a medium risk tolerance, consistency over high rewards, prefer doing quick research post-signal, use a defined entry or exit framework. The second one is PumpFun Algo. PumpFun is extremely active right now. Thousands of tokens appear every single day and most of them aren't worth more than a few minutes of attention. This algorithm helps separate short-lived noise from genuine organic traction. It detects early growth patterns that indicate real users and real demand rather than bot-driven activity or artificial volume. If you explore meme coins, this tool significantly reduces the amount of time wasted on projects that have no real foundation. So here we have another some characteristics. Signal frequency 100 to 120 signals a day, triggered based on smart wallet inflow, early holder quality, volume spikes and deflex. Average MC 20k to 60k at discovery. It focuses on hyper early entry, high risk and high reward setups. PumpFun Algo is best suited for traders who want to enter extremely early, within minutes of launch, have high risk tolerance and are okay with volatility or racks. Prefer doing instant chart holder scan volume. Prefer doing instant DIOR, are experienced with PumpFun dynamics, understand that 60% of calls will fail, but the few that hit may do 5x volume. Then we have the Launch Lab Algo, designed for people who want early entries but also care about security and developer behavior. It monitors brand new deployments and evaluates them using several criteria: smart contract structure, liquidity behavior and requirements, deployer wallet history, development patterns, early holder distribution. It's not about guessing which token might take off. It's about filtering unsafe or suspicious ambitious deployments, so you can focus on the ones that actually meet a minimum standard of credibility. Characteristics of this algo are 30 to 50 signals per day, all tokens from Launch Lab including bonk fund before they graduate. The trigger is based on smart wallet inflow, early holder quality, volume spikes, dev flags, average MC from 50 to 40k, and it focuses on hyper early entry, high risk or high reward setups. It's best suited for traders who want to enter extremely early, within minutes of launch, have high risk tolerance and are okay with volatility or racks, prefer doing instant DIOR, are experienced with Launch Lab dynamics, understand that 60% of calls will fail, but the few which hit may multiply 50 times. And something in early beta, OG Algo 2.0. Essentially the experimental faster version of the original OG Algo. It reacts earlier, it identifies trends sooner, and it's designed for people who want to move quickly. But because it triggers earlier, it requires more precise risk management. If you are the type of trader who monitors the market throughout the day and wants early signals rather than confirmation signals, this is the one that will interest you the most. Something important to mention there is that this one is event based and not a time based. The core trigger is reaching a specific number of profitable wallets buying a token. Number dynamically adjusts based on current market conditions. This makes OG beta faster when the market is active and more selective when it's not. And here as well we have focus, discovery timing after first strong on-chain traction before mass awareness. Key signal is professional traders activity, entry from historically profitable wallets. Use case of this one is OG Algo beta is best suited for traders who want to catch tokens as smart wallets start buying, prefer faster event-based signals over fixed time intervals, have higher risk tolerance and are comfortable reacting quickly with a predefined plan. Now let's talk about the stream scalping algo. This is built specifically for active traders. It's not designed for holding positions. It's designed for short, targeted trade based on real-time smart money flows. It tracks movement as it happens, showing you when significant wallets begin entering positions. Often you see these signals before the chart visibly reacts, which gives you a clearer understanding where capital is moving in the moment. Think of it as a live flow monitor, helps guide precise entries and exit. Algo tracks up to 7k stream tokens, applies 20 plus filters, selects those most volatile during streams, and alerts when the token is live. It has 20 plus indicators about liquidity, holder activity, volume spikes, dev flags, stream stats, triggers when the stream starts for tokens that historically move during streams, and after filtering, signal rate is around 30 tokens per day. Stream algo works best when you want to catch momentum right when stream starts, trade high volatility tokens, want to confirm signal by wallet plus volume data, accept that not every call will succeed, but the ones that do can be very profitable. And finally, the 4-meme algo, operating on BNB chain. This one is surprisingly overlooked considering the performance data. 44% of detected tokens graduate to PancakeSwap. The average ROI is 187%. Many of the identified opportunities appear at market caps around 33k, while most traders are focused almost exclusively on Solana. This algo highlights opportunities on BNB that tend to receive far less competition. Together, these 6 algorithms cover a broad spectrum of strategies: early detection, safety screening, momentum tracking, real-time data, and cross-chain opportunities. So here's what the lifetime package actually comes with. All 6 algorithms, the volume checker to verify whether volume is artificially inflated, on-chain analytics for deeper analysis, all future updates and improvements, and a 101 session with the ATM quant. The professional session is especially valuable. A professional reviews how you use the tools, points out mistakes, and helps refine your approach based on your goals. In practice, that alone can be worth the price. The regular price is 6,900. Current offer brings it down to only 990. It's per moment and without monthly fees. If you decide to get it, use the payment link in the description, enter the code Zaszko at checkout. That's what activates the reduced price. There are 4 spots available at the moment, and once they are taken, the offer closes. If you are someone who wants to make decisions based on data rather than social media noise, these tools gives you a structured, methodical approach to navigating the market. Remember, link is in the description. Thanks for the watching, and I will see you in the next one.